Hello, hi guys. My name is Joey, and I'm super excited to be doing this once again this evening. I'll be looking at what happened in the past week and also projecting what would be happening in terms of the trades I'm going to be looking at for the new week. So last week we looked at GBP, JPY, and GBP USD, and thankfully both of them did very well. For GBP JPY, we caught about almost 400 pips from that particular trade, a single move. And on GBP USD, we caught almost the same 400 pips. Okay. As at that last week, what we did was, if price would go beyond this, and if it will go below this, and so far so good, it gave us a good move. So far so good, it gave us a very good move. We caught about 400 pips also from this particular trade. Yeah, 433 pips. I got mine out at 400 pips. Okay, so this week I'm going to be looking at Euro USD. I'm going to be looking at Euro USD. Let me clear all of this. I'm going to be looking at Euro USD. Once again, I prefer always trading on the 4-hour chart. However, I would always look at the higher time frame to know what I should expect from the market. I see a descent, so I go to my 4 hours and I do what I call my traps. Okay, so if price should go above this point, I would execute a buy. If price, I would rather use this. If price should go below, I would execute a sell. So here's what I would have done, or here's what I'm going to be doing this week. Wait for price to come above, wait for price to give me a continuation. Same thing, wait for price to come below, wait for price to give me a retest, wait for price to continue. And that's what I'm going to be looking for on Euro USD. For EURJPY, I'll be doing almost the same thing on EURJPY. I'll be doing almost the same thing on EURJPY. Okay, so I have this and I have this. So if price goes above, I look for a buy. If price goes below, I look for a sell. So I'll wait for the retest, give me a continuation, and I go with it. Same thing if I'm going to be selling, wait for it, and give me a continuation. Now, these are the two trades I'm going to be looking at in this week. However, I like to state at this point, this video is only for educational purposes. All my videos are only for educational purposes. I am not giving any trade advice. I am not predicting the market. I am only analyzing based on education, only for educational purposes. I would also state at this point that it is important that you take professional classes if you want to go into investing in terms of forex trading and all of that. I recommend you take professional classes at any point in time. If you need any help, if you need support in terms of forex trading, then we are also here to give you as much support in education as we can. You can always just fill in the Google form below, and I will get back to you. At this point, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching. Thank you for staying on course. Thank you for trading. And equally, please do subscribe and like this video and any other subsequent one that comes up. Thank you and have a very beautiful trading week.